Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.